Trying to see a presentation or a whiteboard at a distance can be difficult for a low vision student. Even if they have a distance magnifier, it probably means they have to sit at the very center of the front row to avoid just magnifying the back of another student's head. And it probably means lots of cords and mess. Many distance cameras can make a low vision student look different to their peers, and many are difficult to move around, and some aren't even portable at all. Plus, so often you're forced to use only the Windows operating system. But what if your student only has an iPad or a Chromebook? We've got a brand new solution that removes all these hassles. Let me introduce you to the LookyBot Robotic Distance Camera from Rehan.
Welcome to iRead AT, Braille and Low Vision.
LookyBot is a super powerful distance camera that's perfect for the classroom. It's light and portable, wire-free, and it'll work with any device that you have that has an internet browser, including Chromebook and iPad. The thing that I think is so cool about LookyBot is that it can be essentially invisible since it's wire-free. Low vision students can be working on their iPads or Chromebooks just like all the students. Nobody has to know that there's a camera on the back shelf that's allowing them to view the front of the classroom. Nobody has to look different. The worst problem you're going to have with LookyBot is that all the kids are going to want to play with it. You may be picturing somebody standing in the back of the classroom waving a camera around. Nope, not with this baby. LookyBot is fully robotic. Students can move the camera using the touchscreen or keyboard. There's even a convenient remote control for operating the LookyBot. Don't have a power plug where you want to place LookyBot? No worries. LookyBot is battery powered. Just place LookyBot where you want it, turn it on, and you'll get about 5 hours of continuous use before you have to charge LookyBot again. It's super easy to get going with LookyBot. No software installation is required. But how good of an image can you get from a camera this small? Well, flippin' amazing, actually. This is the part I love the best. Like, we have so much technology out there, why can't we occasionally make something that's better for people with disabilities? Well, LookyBot can detect images so much further than even the healthiest human eye can detect. I'll show you here. I'm at 25 feet reading a page of 12-point font. You can see how far away that is, and I can read it with perfect accuracy. I can OCR it and get exact clarity on something that there's no way even the healthiest human eye could detect. This is a seriously powerful camera.
LookyBot is a super powerful distance camera that is perfect for the classroom.
Time to move to the next class? Simply pack LookyBot in the included protective case, and off you go. Portability, ease of use, amazing image, and lack of social awkwardness. The LookyBot is truly an innovation, and it'll work with the hardware that you already have. Make sure to subscribe to iRead AT's social media for more great videos and tutorials on the latest in Braille and low vision products.